See this cosmos. It is looking very pretty, so I thought of recording because I believe today is the last beautiful day of this season. Today is 21st October 2021. From tomorrow, I think it will be below 70, the highest temperature. I was waiting for this plant to bloom for a long time. First time I am seeing this bloom today. See, this is a pineapple sage. I thought it will get winter damage and it cannot bloom, but I'm so glad that I'm able to see these blooms. See, they have red color bloom, pineapple sage. See how they used to look. They used to look like they are falling. I'm saying, see this how. But when they opened the blooms, they are straight, right? See where I have planted. I'm sorry, there is a lot of mess around here. I have to clean up that mess, clean up that. But anyway, so I was focusing on planting my hydrangea, which I have to put it on the ground. Now also I am about to plant, but I was recording little bit cosmos, and then my eyes caught this beauty, and I waited so long. I watched some YouTuber. She mentioned that whenever it blooms, suddenly they get winter. Winter is there, and hardly they get time to enjoy. So I thought before it gets cold or the shape changes, let me record it. And I have planted since April. So I can say it is nearly 3.5 feet tall based on that branch. Here is my vanilla strawberry hydrangea at the front. They all turned brown. Now I cannot preserve their color. I am late to collect them, but anyway, at least I collected the back side, the west side plants. See the bloom, see my hand, and see the size. So this plant bloomed so many huge blooms, so I got tempted and I got more vanilla strawberry plants. So let's see if I'm lucky with other two or not. See this beauty. The plant starts here. So though they are late, I was thinking they will be frozen and they cannot bloom, but they bloomed. Here also see the same variety. I have taken already pictures earlier. And see this zinnia, how the status. Because now few past 4 days it was cold, so see the blooms. I caught these of this branch leaned down. I think few new branches or the plants they emerged. How they are looking. I caught lot of dead blooms. So this is a daylily. See this, I don't know the name of this flower. It bloomed a lot. Because of the variegated leaves. This is iris, it looks very pretty to me. See these white blooms. See from here, this is the right side of the wisteria. So few plants they bloomed late, but somehow the temperature is very good, so they are not drying that fast. The blooms like in July, August. I was showing you that white cosmos, and then they are the pink one, and then I came to the left side of this wisteria to show you. See this beauty. Then some blooms here. See the branch. The plant is there. It leaned here. Here I am standing behind this wisteria tree. Yesterday I planted four vanilla strawberry hydrangea. See, one, that one, where there is mulch. This is two, this is three, and that is fourth. So in between those four, I decided to plant one bobo hydrangea. So I made a hole there. The pot I already kept this before planting. I thought I will just show you a little bit. So that is my bobo one. Here in between these two, because here I this bobo is 2 to 3 feet. So assuming suppose it is 3 feet and maybe 5 feet wide, so I thought I have enough space. If they cover 7 by 5, 7 feet height and 5 feet wide, so I thought they have enough space. They may the blooms may touch each other, but that will be 7 feet, so it will be little taller. And this will be 2 to 3 feet. So assuming suppose it is 3 feet, it will look good. It will not block the wisteria. I have some plan about the wisteria to put little bit more roof for the vine to spread. So thinking that I wanted little bit emptiness here in this space and in this space. If I would have planted one vanilla strawberry, it may have 30% or 40% blocked the view of wisteria, thinking that I wanted something lower height, and then I thought putting a bobo hydrangea here. So this is the bobo hydrangea. See the hole and the pot I already kept. So they are from Proven Winner all, and I have a good experience with Proven Winner. Their plants are always guaranteed to perform well. So let me show you a little bit closer. So see, this is my first in this row. This is my first vanilla strawberry. I tried to put them in a row, but the last one I made it little bit that side, because I have that weeping European beech, that purple leaf that will spread and it will take more space over the years. So thinking that, I tried a little bit there, but it may or may not work, because that is going to take a lot of space, but maybe after 10-15 years, because that is a slow grower. So till then we can enjoy the plants here. So if you see how they are, so little bit they are towards little bit that side. So it is not exactly a straight line, but still I have managed. It's okay. When we will have when they will be in their full mature size after 3 or 4 years, I am expecting. Next, these 2 years, the first 2 years, I'm not expecting they will reach to 7 feet height. So maybe after 3 years they will look full. So it will be a hedge or a row of hydrangea, so that we can enjoy here if we walk or if we do something here, thinking that I did that. So yes, this is the first one bobo hydrangea. Then this is second vanilla strawberry. See the blooms, how they are looking. This is the center bobo hydrangea, and then this is third vanilla strawberry here. See its bloom. This bloom is very big. So in the pot itself, it was in a just, I can say, 2-gallon pot maybe. See the blooms, it was a big bloom. This is a fresh bloom. Because they were inside the nursery, they were not exposed to so much cold. That's why they are still little white, I can say. So this is the third bobo hydrangea, and this is the fourth vanilla strawberry. See this bloom. So these branches were broken while handling in the car, and so I just removed. So from here also I can show you how they are looking. See, so this plant intentionally I put little bit inside, because see, that is the European beech plant. So it will take the space slowly each year. I mean, I think not in the 5-7 years, but maybe after 10 years I am assuming it will grow much bigger and it will be very close to here. So thinking that, I thought if I can push little bit that side, so that's why if you see those are in a row, but this plant is little bit inside, and again this plant is on the other side. So let me put the plant and then I will show you the final touch up. So here I already planted, see, vanilla strawberry, bobo hydrangea, again vanilla strawberry, second bobo hydrangea, see, I planted here, then another vanilla strawberry, then another bobo hydrangea, and then the fourth vanilla strawberry. Let me show you from here also, see. So I had watched many YouTubers who has the hydrangea hedge. So every time I also thought I can also have one, and thinking that earlier I had planned that I will not plant anything in this area, but after the circle, but I planted those that purple leaf balm, then that is a blue holly plant, blue girl holly plant, then that is wisteria. So few after my third circle also I have few plants. So I thought, okay, I'll maintain at least a row so that still I will have enough space. So this is how I did. That's it for today. I have few more hydrangea. When I will plant again, I will share with all of you. Thank you for watching.